Ogundiji, jagun jagun tó lókun tó lóògùn.
You are welcome today to this channel. Today we are going to look at the movie called Jagun Jagun, an epic film by FEMI ADEBAYO. In this film, Ogundiji, a warrior, displays a powerful action, and Bodija, an ordinary citizen, turned to hero. Disclaimer: this video is not intended to replace the original content, but review and educate our dear esteemed viewers. The original video is currently ongoing on Netflix. Credit to Femi Adebayo. The story started with Ogundiji, a fearless and powerful warrior, which stretched his tentacle to another kingdom. In this movie, there's a village called Keto Kingdom. Keto Kingdom was in serious trouble by invaders, which asked the kingdom to produce their ancestral crown. But the king tried all he could to disperse the invaders. The invaders got angry and killed the first son of the king. The whole village is in great fear. No further option than to describe where the ancestral crown is located. After getting the crown, the invaders still want to kill everybody in the palace. An invisible and powerful sword came out from nowhere, which killed the invaders. It was Ogundiji that actually saved the people. Bodija, on his way to the school of warrior, where Ogundiji is training men to become warrior like him. Bodija is known for speaking to the tree, understanding them. On getting to the training school, few were killed by bullets, while the survivor lined up for training at the training ground. One of the soldiers discovered that one of the trainees is a spy. One of the trained soldiers killed him instantly. During their training, they also worship Ogundiji by chanting and singing. They were trained with charm and weapon as necessary tools for fighting war. On the final day of their training, Ogundiji welcomed them as a trained warrior, charged them to be brave, courageous, and obedient to the kingdom's rules of engagement. In modern-day kingdom, Alarika, who stole the kingdom from his brother, sent soldiers to destroy his farm and kill their worker. Alarika reported the case and threat by his brother to Ogundiji, and Ogundiji sent the trained soldier to modern-day kingdom. On getting to the war, 3 senior soldiers stayed away in the bush, thinking that the war is a small war. Thereby, they sent the small training soldier to the battlefield. But the war is hot. The war was so hot to the extent that Ogundiji sent Agemo to fight the battle for him. On getting home, Ogundiji punished the 3 senior soldiers by putting them in prison without food. One night, Iroyogun brought the food to the soldier, telling them to share one pap and akara for 2 soldiers. Bodija contested Hero order. Hero asked the guard to punish him until he changed his mind. But instead, he remained adamant. After he was released, Hero sent a guard to give Bodija orange as a gift, and also praised him and asked him to be a friend. In Aje Kingdom, 2 farmers who want to buy a woman love brought gifts, but the lady refused, told them his suitor is in army training school. While Ogunji's wife was begging him to release the 3 soldiers, he said something and went straight to the prison. He saw somebody giving the soldier food, and he commanded that the soldier should be released immediately and burnt the good Samaritan and take his body to his village. All other kings gathered together to celebrate Ogundiji by wine and dine, and never talked about bad habit of Ogundiji. The lover of the burnt man consulted herbalists to kill Ogundiji's wife, but Bodija rescued her. Ogundiji's wife tell him to appreciate Bodija for saving her life, but Ogundiji declined and also declined the plea of Bogumi, who came to beg him for disobeying his order. There is a game set down that nobody except Ogunjimi won it. On that night, Bodija won the game, and Iroyin Ogun Kitan was so happy. Ogundiji remembered the advice of his council to silence him. Ogundiji summoned Bodija to his palace and set 3 tasks before him. First is to fight Bogumi, a brave warrior, but he narrowly killed Bogumi. The second task is Bodija will stay in coffin for 7 days without food and water. On the 3rd day, Iroyin Ogun Kitan went beside the coffin and asked if Bodija is still alive. Bodija told him that he's ill and healthy. Ogundiji heard this and he was so annoyed. He commanded the guard that they should take the coffin to the water and throw him down into the sea. Bodija asked the tree god to save him, and he returned safe on that night. Ogundiji's daughter is seriously in love with Bodija, which surprises everybody. Aje Kingdom were celebrating Aje Festival when Ogundiji commanded Bodija and 2 other soldiers to destroy them. On getting there, Bodija is not happy seeing the people celebrate Aje and they are harmless. But other soldiers told him not to disobey Ogundiji's order. They all destroyed the village and they killed the 2 other soldiers while Bodija came back alive. On his way coming back home, Agemo attacked him. Bodija asked the tree god to kill Agemo. While opening the face of the dead Agemo, he discovered it was Iroyin Ogun Kitan. She narrated her story to him. On the next day, he arrived at the village. The next day and sensitized the other soldiers not to be slaves and to wake up. He told Ogunjimi's wife about Ogunjimi's son hidden somewhere while he uses her own womb for power. The fight broke out. Ogunjimi's wife took the dagger in Iro's hand and stabbed him at the neck, while Bodija stabbed him 3 times for Bogumi, his father, and Iroyin Ogun Kitan. The kingdom left without ruler. Later, Ogundiji's brother came and met the wise one and screamed Ogundiji's name. We hope to see what will happen now that Ogundiji's brother is around. The question is that will it fight Bodija or be under rulership of Bodija, or what will come next? Please make sure you share, comment, like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.